If you like this new rap, hit that like and don't forget to subscribe.
I don't blame me, I blame the pelote shoes.
I can feel the throttle.
Way too good.
I was looking at in the van watching you.
And like that, we're back in Compton with our BMW Drift Car.
Night and day.
It doesn't look all old and shit.
No, the headlights, a little touch with the float. Dude, this is sick.
Oh man, that's tight. That is close. The shark fin might not clear. Alright, we'll race a couple inches. And now we're gonna see if it fits. No problem. Not sketchy at all.
Right.
Clear, yay! Let's go!
Only one way to find out.
Send it? Or send it?
It fits.
Time for these bad boys.
Never did nothing for you. Proof I do work on my car.
Let's see what these wheels look like. Bam! Woo. I'll tell you this much. It doesn't look like it used to. Hey?
No.
It's got some like
Completely new car.
completely new.
Completely new car. And Luigi. The smelly approvals.
There's one thing left to do.
What?
You gotta rip it.
Rip it? I love it.
Now.
We lost something.
It's okay. Look at that.
That is f***ing amazing.
That's awesome.
It pops right back in though, baby. Look at this. Built not bought right here. You want it done right, you gotta do it yourself. With Evan's help.